Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll show you how to sign out of Gmail on your computer. Let's get straight into it. So you'll see I'm in Gmail and I've got my inbox open on my computer. Make sure that you're signed into the Gmail account you want to sign out of. I'm now going to move my mouse to the top right-hand side of the screen. You'll see there a small round icon. This is your profile icon. Now your profile icon may look a little different from mine, but I'll click on it once to open the Google account menu. On this pop-up, you'll see a number of options are shown, but of course I'm interested in the sign out button. If I click on that, Gmail will then sign you out of your account, and you'll see a page confirming that from Google. Now a slightly different scenario is when you have multiple Gmail accounts signed in. If I move to the profile picture in the top right of the page and click on it as before, you'll see that a list of my signed in accounts is shown. Now when you have multiple accounts signed in, you can't sign out of them individually, unfortunately. You have to sign out of all of them and then sign back into them one at a time if you want to reuse them. As before, I'll move down to the sign out option and click on sign out of all accounts. You're then taken to the confirmation screen that says Google is no longer syncing your accounts. And that's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Woggle Guides for free to see more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.